What's good, YouTube? Sure. Y'all already know I had to come back at you with something a little different this time, but y'all know me. It ain't really that different. We got the Air Jordan 3. Now, I picked this up. This has actually been here where I'm at for a little while. And I've been kind of looking at it and letting it kind of grow on me. And I just decided I was gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. Now, I really like this shoe. When I put it on my feet, it looks like something I can wear every day. It looks like an everyday kind of shoe. So let's take a look at it. Now, this right here, they call it the DesertElephant. To me, it reminds me of like a cork, almost like a cork-like texture, which is good. On the back, you got the Jordan logo with the Air. Inside, it's similar to what's on the box. It's an elephant mixed with a Jumpman, and then you get the Jordan logo. In front, you got the orange tongue, or the orange Jumpman on this suede kind of feel tongue. The tongue feels kind of like it's made of maybe nubuck, maybe suede. I'm not sure. I'm not really great with the materials, like the names of them, but I can tell you what they feel like, and it's very soft. Now, this leather here seems like it's gonna be very durable. If I wanted to compare like a direct one-to-one comparison, it's tumbled, but it's not like very soft and kind of cushy, like this Jordan 11 low, kind of soft, right? And then if you wanted to compare it to something like maybe like the flat leather of this Dunk, where it's almost no tumble to it at all. It's a very thin, not gonna say cheap, but you know, it's a very different texture of leather. This one here feels a little more, almost like a leather jacket, kind of like maybe even a car seat, like a nice leather car seat. So, I mean, if you're looking at material quality, I think you're gonna be satisfied with this. With the paint is solid. Some nice brush strokes. Curious about how it'll hold up over time. I guess we'll see, because it's not really like a white bottom. It's kind of off-white, kind of tan. But it's actually, I think it's gonna be really good for like a fall type vibe. You could really get off into some fall colors on this. Maybe wintertime, but I'm gonna rock mine all year long. I like to wear my shoes all year, it don't matter. But it does kind of give me very fall type vibes. So this retailed here at the normal retail. I didn't pick them up for any special discount price or any special price at all. It was all regular retail. But I do like the fact that they're doing a little something different with this colorway. It's not too flashy. I've been kind of iffy on the flashiness of some of these different redesigns of these retros, but I'm digging it. If I had to give it a score out of 10, I'd probably give it a smooth 8.5 out of 10. And that's being conservative. I'm not saying this is a shoe I'm madly in love with, but I could see me rocking this every day, going to the grocery store, going to pick up my dry cleaning or whatever, just throwing some kicks that's gone. I can slide in real quick. I think these would be a really good pickup for anybody that's in the market looking at something like this. If you're a Jordan 3 fan, boom. One of the best Jordan 3s I've seen this year. I was looking at it directly compared to, I believe I was thinking about that one. Between that, the patchwork, and the iris, the one that just dropped here, the purple kind of lilac color. I think this has the best colorway, and will probably hold up the best over time. So I'm gonna finish up with some on feet, let you see how they look. Real quick, thank you for following along the whole ride. If you're still here, do me a favor, just hit the like button for me. It's super free, and it helps the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed already, man, just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and that's all I ask of you. Until next time, peace.